guys, this is the second video of ray optics chapter. In the first video I have told all the basic concepts that you are supposed to know before starting with ray optics chapter. Okay, so now let us see this chapter further. Okay, so now we will see law of rectilinear propagation of light. I know that this law you must have already seen in your lower grades because it is mentioned in lower grades also. In 10th also you have seen this law. Okay, so just for the sake of revision, let us see law of rectilinear propagation of light. So light travels in a straight line. This law is very small law and there is no such hard thing that you are supposed to remember here. Light travels in a straight line is law of rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, now let us see laws of reversibility of path. So here in the notebook I am showing that law. So this is law of reversibility of path. Okay, let me make it clear. Yes, so it states that light rays retrace their path when their direction is reversed. Okay, so let us understand with this diagram. Okay, so I am drawing that diagram over here and let us see the law says that the light rays can retrace their path when their direction is reversed. मतलब लाइट रे जो है उसका डायरेक्शन उल्टा कर देने के बाद वो उसी इस पाथ को फॉलो करेगा पहले वाले. ये देखिए, सब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द लाइट इज कमिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड इट इज हिटिंग दिस opaque surface and then it is going like this. Now I can't draw the perfectly same diagram, but in reality the light will retrace the path exactly. Okay, now it is coming like this, hitting the opaque surface and going like this, as you can see here also. Now we will see this one. Now here what they have done, they have just changed the direction. Means this ray was going like this, they have changed the direction and done it like this, so it will hit the surface and go here. Now this both will be exactly same. I hope you are understanding little. Okay, मतलब ये जिस इससे जा रहा था, जिस पाथ से जा रहा था वही पाथ ये भी फॉलो करेगा. ओके, यहाँ पे डायरेक्शन चेंज किए कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देने के बाद रिवर्स्ड किया डायरेक्शन, यहाँ पे ये ऐसे इसको उल्टा कर दिया, यहाँ पे ये ऐसे इसको उल्टा कर दिया. बट even though we have interchanged the direction, nothing will change. Okay, the path will be same, and this is only explained in the law of reversibility of path. It states that light ray retrace their path when their direction is inversed. Okay, and what they've told in this diagram is, let me explain that also. I am drawing the same diagram over here. Please understand. See, they have taken one point. From one point two rays are diverging. Okay, diverging means क्या होगा? Yes, it is real object. Real object का definition ही वही था कि incident rays diverging from a point, that point is a real object. So this is an object. Let us write it as a object. Okay, here there is one opaque surface. Let me draw a bigger diagram for understanding in a better way. So this is a opaque surface. I am showing it like this, opaque, not a transparent surface. Okay, then when the ray will hit here, it will come back, right? Now these are the reflected rays. Okay, reflected rays, and when reflected rays converge at a point, that point is known as image, real image. We have seen these concepts in the first video. I have already uploaded that video, and its title is Ray Optic Basic Concept. You will find that video in my channel. Please see that video. Okay, so this is real object, this is real image. Its direction is like this, and this redirection is like this. Okay, now what if we interchanged it? Means if we keep the object here, yes, the object here, now here also. Okay, so object here, the direction is like this only. Okay, so the image formed of this object, it will be formed here. Okay, मतलब अगर आपने यहाँ से उठाकर ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ पर प्लेस कर दिया, ओके, तो इमेज कहाँ पे बनेगा? इमेज यहाँ पे बनेगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? मीन्स इफ आई चेंज इट ना, इट्स इंटरचेंजिंग. यहाँ पे इमेज बन रहा है तो ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर था, और यहाँ पर इमेज बन रहा है तो ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? आर यू गेटिंग इट? सी, यहाँ पे मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट रखा तो इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग हियर, एंड इफ हियर there is object, the image is forming here, and exactly that is only explained is in this diagram. See, here was the object, rays were going and hitting a opaque surface, then image was forming here. Okay, then we take that object here and name it as O dash. When we keep the object here, the image is formed here, which we named as I dash. So from reversibility of path, object position and image position can be interchanged. I hope you have understood it. Now let us see what is reflection of light. Okay, reflection of light means when light rays bounce back into the same medium, this phenomena is called as reflection of light. Okay, so reflection of light means when light rays bounce back into the same medium, this phenomena is called as reflection of light. Refraction of light is a different thing. You have learned that in your 10th standard, and we will see it further.